Alright, what's up guys? I just got my prize from Lockerz. It is a MacBook Pro. I'll show you the legitness of it with the address I sent it from. See, Lockerz. Packaging is kind of weird because it was sent right from the company. It wasn't sent from their warehouse for some reason. I don't know why. But let's get started. I sure packed this up tight. Packaging. Ooh. For some reason they didn't give me a thanks for redeeming thing like everyone else, but here it is, MacBook Pro. Yeah. Look at that. I'm not sure if I want to unbox the actual thing, but I think I will. Let's see. For some reason it cut me off, so I unboxed it and I took it out. Here it is. MacBook Pro, everything brand new. And after watching the first part, I realized I didn't really give enough info on how legit it is. So here it is. It says 8 pounds. That's about the weight of a MacBook Pro. To Zach. It's me. Let's see if I can get a date. No date here, but yep, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.